How to get a blue comment on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application, and as you can see, it will lead you here to your homepage. Now, to be able to get a blue comment on TikTok, first and foremost, there is no button for you to press or a symbol to add or make your comments blue. But instead, TikTok uses their algorithm to turn the comments blue if the words are relevant to the video. So for example, this video, if you go here to your comments, you will see this blue comment. Now if you click on this, it will lead here to a specific search bar. As you can see here, there's a blue comment, then you'll see a search bar here on the upper right of that specific comment. So as you can see, this is actually something related to the search bar. So again, it must be relevant to the video. So let's find another one here. For example, this one, it says a Fernanda account here, but if you go here to your comment, you will see a Sebastian's search bar. That is because the person at the back is named Sebastian. So if you click here on Sebastian, you will see Sebastian's account and of course his TikTok with that person Fernanda. And basically that is the only way you can get a blue comment in TikTok, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.